Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sherry Mac.
In today's video, I'll be showing you this SkinWhite whitening soap. It has glutathione plus vitamin C, so it's good for your skin. I've been using it for some time now, so I want to share a review on this soap. It clears blemishes, and let's go through the soap. Let me read what is written on the soap. No need to look anywhere else because the solution to glowing light skin is here with SkinWhite Glutathione plus vitamin C. So vitamin C is good for your skin. It clears blemishes, acne, and it whitens the skin. So this soap has 2 times more glutathione for twice the antioxidant power that work deep inside your skin layers to lighten, to repair, and nourish. Not only that, it is combined with much needed vitamin C that protects the skin by binding to the free radicals.
Early as 5 days, so it's good for your skin, so you could try it. It's good. Look at it. It has this color and this color. 2 times more gluta. Look at it. It's written here. 2 times more gluta. Yeah. So look at it. For face and body, if you can use it for your face and you can use it for your body. So look at it. Glutathione plus vitamin C. This soap can brighten you as this soap has this soap could be used on your face and body for bright, beautiful skin all over. For best result, apply SkinWhite Glutathone plus vitamin C lotion after bathing. Okay, it has vitamin C, and vitamin C protects your skin by binding to the free radicals. This soap has vitamin C, and vitamin C is good for your vitamin C. And for best results, you could use it with a SkinWhite Glutathione vitamin C lotion for it to work very effectively. This cream is good for your skin, and you could try it. So you could get it from any shop, any cosmetic shop, or where they sell cosmetics or cream or soap here. Okay, so this soap is good. It has vitamin C and it's good for your skin. It can whiten you as up to 5 days. This soap has lightening power. It's 2 times lightening power, and it glows as early as 5 days. So this soap, within 5 days, it can whiten you. So you could use this SkinWhite Glutathione soap. It's a whitening soap with vitamin C, so it's good for your skin. So you could try it, and it's good for your skin. So use it. You can go through the back and see what was written on it, so where it was manufactured, and yeah, he said no need to look anywhere else because the solution to glowing light skin is here with SkinWhite Glutathione vitamin C soap. It has 2 times more glutathione for twice the antioxidant power that works deep inside your skin layer to lighten. This soap lightens your skin. This soap lightens your skin, and it also repairs your skin and nourish them. Not only that, it is combined with much more vitamin C. I hope you enjoyed this video.
When you're buying it, you have to look at it very well, because mine has, look at the colors. The colors are not too very bright, but it has white and sort of like a yellow. Yes, like turmeric color. Yes, this color is turmeric, something like that. Then you have to look at it very well. It just, there's no much things that are written there, so look at it. Yeah, so we have 2 times more gluta written at the corner of it, so look at it very well before you buy.
Guys, for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay blessed and stay positive. Bye bye.